The perfect bedside companion that keeps your handgun as close as your nightstand is basically the concept behind this safe. It's disguised as an electronic clock and uses RFID technology for access, just like bank cards. The designers believe that it's much faster than using a code or fingerprint, and up to 5 different tags can be set. The overall dimensions of the safe are 12 by 10.5 inches, while the interior measures 9.2 by 6.9 inches. The safe can be powered by an electrical outlet or AAA batteries, and if you want to feel safer, you can use a security cable to protect your safe from theft. Please make a version with a working alarm clock, suggests one user. It's priced at $334. This trunk upgrade is only available to law enforcement and security personnel. This is a compact gun cabinet for weapon and ammunition transportation. It's easy to install and fits in a wide range of vehicles. The basic version costs about $1,900 and offers a 3.4 by 1.6 foot section. The gun locker is made of steel and comes with a padded cover and Velcro straps. A pleasant bonus is the remote control. These lockers are manufactured in the United States, and considering that in 2015 there were 245 police officers per 100,000 population, they are sure to be popular. Responsible gun ownership means storing guns in a safe and secure manner. GunSafe solves this problem, but they're not easy to install in an apartment, let alone open quickly. Having come to these conclusions, the workers of an American company have invented some stylish furniture, which will allow you to quickly arm yourself like in the movie Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The company's motto is, "In a time of need, be prepared." You'll find tables, shelves, mirrors, and more. The furniture unlocks in seconds thanks to RFID technology. Installation simple. For example, the shelf is simply mounted on a bracket and ready to use. The price depends on the size. For example, a shelf for a shotgun, 2 pistols, and their magazines costs $370. Here's a product you've probably seen in the movies, a guitar case for storing weapons. You can see something similar in the movie Desperado, and now it's available to anyone with $170 to spare. According to the seller, these cases are made in the same factories as regular cases, thus they not only look attractive, but also help deter would-be thieves. The interior is 42 inches long, up to 17 inches wide, and it comes with 3 soft foam inserts, each 1 inch thick. The case is impact, water, and dust resistant, and is also easy to clean. Too bad the building in which John McClane from Die Hard performed his stunts didn't have these safes. They look like elements of the ventilation system, much like the ones John McClane crawled through during the movie. The version on the screens uses the RFID system and can be opened with a card, key fob, or token included in the kit. The design allows the safe to blend into any wall and is so successful that it's won several awards. It's priced at $260. You are sleeping peacefully in your bed, and suddenly you hear that there's someone in the house. One move and you have your trusty shotgun in your hand. Now you can check if everything's in order. Sounds like a scene from a movie, doesn't it? But it's actually a mass-produced device from a US company. The basic version costs $700 and comes unpainted, so customers can choose the color they want. The width of the interior is 46 inches, but if that's not enough, the manufacturer is willing to create a custom version. Installation is so simple that only a screwdriver is needed. In addition, solid wood is used so that you can even pass it on to your descendants. And it's worth mentioning that in the US, the average police response time is 4 to 35 minutes. Experts once calculated how many weapons the US civilian population has on hand. The result was about 393 million units. If Americans donated their guns to Ghana, every Ghanaian would have at least 10 guns. So, the popularity of these cabinets in the United States is understandable. This one is a wooden construction, handmade, with a classic design, and of course, it accommodates a whole armory inside. The cabinet holds rifles, shotguns, pistols, and other weapons, as well as supplies and ammunition. The cabinet's 41 inches wide and 60 inches high, and is available in different woods, such as oak or maple. The lacquer is resistant to water and many household chemicals, including nail polish remover and acetone. Prices for this useful and practical piece of furniture are available upon request. Storing guns in vehicles is oftentimes frowned upon, mainly because the car or pickup truck is not equipped with the space for storing weapons properly. The designers write, "The solution to that problem is to modify the seats for gun storage. Once upgraded, the seats are easy to lift with one hand, and there's a clip for weapons on the bottom. The clip can be unlocked with an RFID key fob or by entering a code on the built-in panel." According to their creators, the mounts fit a wide variety of weapons, are easy to install and even easier to use, and of course, they're compact and take up no space inside. These solutions, by the way, have been used for quite some time. This Mercedes-Benz 420 SE Guard was used in the past as an escort to transport money to the bank. It's known that only 5 such cars were built, successfully working for 20 years. These cars not only have guns on all 4 doors, but also B5 level armor. This car can withstand the impact of an M16 rifle at a distance of 33 feet. This handyman was building a house and decided to create his own safe. To do so, he modified a door frame and part of the wall. It's made of plasterboard, so the job didn't take him long. The result is a frame that can be lifted up thanks to a hinge, giving access to a space to store anything from a spare set of car keys to a gun. The author plans to improve the design in the future. The idea is to add magnetic latches, but it was a good idea to demonstrate all of this on video and thus reveal the secret. The AR-15 rifle was first manufactured more than 50 years ago, but it remains popular in the United States as a hunting and self-defense weapon. In 2016, there were about 10 million rifles owned by residents of that country. So, manufacturers of various storage systems are trying to turn this fact into money. The result is very interesting solutions, such as this storage and transportation system. The key feature is that it was made from scratch. Instead of manufacturing yet another safe, the engineers came up with a compact locking device. 4 seconds and the gun is ready to fire. But if someone tries to pull the rifle off the wall, it will take a lot of effort, about 3,500 pounds of force. The special lock can be easily opened even with one hand in the dark, and the device can be camouflaged with a normal jacket. The price is $110. An unexpected question. How much can a bed cost? The Swedes once presented an option for $390,000, but here's a model that exceeds it in at least one respect. It's equipped with hiding places for weapons. On your screen you can see a handmade bed, which the author not only assembled but also designed himself. It's made of solid cedar, which means that it's extremely durable. And inside the sections you can put a whole arsenal. People in the comments are delighted and ask for instructions on how to make their own version. However, the author didn't answer whether his wife liked the bed. This option, on the other hand, is less expensive, starting at $540, and anyone can buy it. This concealment shelf is perfect for storing rifles up to 42 inches in length, and it's just as easy to install as a conventional shelf. It operates with pneumatic release, includes 2 magnetic keys, and is made of real wood. 9 color schemes make it easy to fit into any interior, and of course, the shelf is perfect for placing various souvenirs and trinkets, if only because the total load capacity is 40 pounds, 20 in the interior section and 20 on the shelf.